In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a dashboard widget on Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple two-step process, and I'll also give you a bit of context so you understand what's happening as you go. This will help you feel more confident when you're cleaning up or reorganizing your dashboards. First, make sure you're already logged into Smartsheet and have the dashboard open that contains the widget you want to remove. Once your dashboard is on screen, locate the specific widget you're planning to delete. This could be a chart, a metric, an image, a title, or any other type of content block on your dashboard. When you hover your mouse over that widget, you'll see some controls appear, usually in the upper corner of the widget. Look for the three vertical dots, often called the More or Options menu. Move your cursor over to those three dots and click on them. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options related to that widget. Take a moment to read the options so you don't accidentally click something else, especially if there are choices like Edit, Duplicate, or Move. In that menu, find the option labeled Delete. This is the command that will remove the widget from your dashboard layout. When you're ready, click on Delete. Depending on your Smartsheet settings or any recent updates, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the widget. If that appears, review the message carefully, because deleting a widget can't always be undone easily, especially if you've done a lot of design work on it. If you're certain you no longer need that widget, confirm the deletion. As soon as you confirm, the widget will disappear from your dashboard. The rest of your widgets may automatically adjust to fill the empty space, or you might want to manually rearrange them afterward to keep your dashboard clean and organized. If you remove the wrong widget by mistake, you can try using the undo option if it's still available in your current editing session. Otherwise, you may need to add a new widget and reconfigure it, and that's all there is to it. You open the dashboard, click the three dots on the widget you want to remove, and then choose Delete to remove